Good morning, students. Last time we had started with this lesson, The Land of Rising Sun, and we had read one page, that is page number 39. Today we are going to start with the next page, page 40. And we had read that Varsha's pen friend is a person who writes letters, but they have never met each other. So the pen friend from Japan writes letters to Varsha, and Varsha has now received a letter from her pen friend Tashoki, and when Varsha returns home after school, she sees the letter and she at once jumps for the letter to read it. But the mother gives her instructions that she should first change her clothes, have milk, wash her hands, and then read the letter. So now Varsha, she very quickly gulped down the glass of milk. Here we start with it. Having gulped down her glass of milk means very quickly she drinks the milk, and then Varsha sank into a chair and she very quickly sits in the chair and started to read Tashaki's letter. And in her previous letter, Varsha had asked Tashaki to give information to help her prepare a school project on Japan. And she hoped that Tashoki would have replied to all her questions. So in her previous letter, Varsha had asked her friend to write about Japan or to provide information about Japan, because she had to prepare a project on Japan for her school work, and so she hoped that Tashoki must have replied to all her questions in this letter. So she was eager to know things about Japan, and here she starts reading the letter which she received from her friend. Dear Varsha, I am delighted to know that you are preparing a project on my country, Japan, as part of your school assignment. So Varsha's friend Tashoki says that I'm very happy to know that you are making a project on Japan, where this pen friend lives, as a school assignment. She has got a work from school to make a project on Japan, and I will send you more information if needed, and a few photographs as well by next week. And he says that I will send you more information if you require, and few photographs also by next week, and I hope yours will be one of the best project in the class. And Tashoki says that I hope that yours will be the best one in the class. Japan is an island in East Asia and is located in the Pacific Ocean. So it is an island in East Asia, and it is located in the Pacific Ocean, and your island is a piece of land which is surrounded by water on all sides, and it is an archipelago. Archipelago means a very vast group of islands in which 6,852 islands are there. And the 4 largest islands are Honshu, Hokkaido, Kyushu, and Shikoku. And the Japanese make up about the 98.5% of the population, and most people live in Tokyo. Many of, or you can say most of the population is in Tokyo, the capital of the country. And the climate here is predominantly temperate. Mostly it is temperate type of climate. Temperate means mild, which is neither too hot nor too cold. And typhoons often bring heavy rain in summer and autumn. Typhoons are the powerful and destructive storms which bring rain in summer and autumn. The people of Japan are committed to the conservation of environment. Means the people of Japan, they are dedicated to save their environment or to protect their environment, and are taking measures to reduce carbon emission, and they even take precautions so that the carbon released into the air is less. Japan has many industries. There are many industries in Japan and is a home to some of the largest and the most technologically advanced producers of motor vehicles, electronics, machine tools, ships, chemical substances. And he says that it is the largest, some of the largest industries which are there, which are most advanced, are like the industry to produce motor vehicles, electronics, machine tools, ships, etc. Ships, chemical substances, textiles, and even processed food. Processed food is the food in which the chemicals or some other substances have been added to increase the taste and to keep them fresh. And some of the leading industrial companies include Tokyo, Toshiba, and Canon. Next, Japan has 19 World Heritage Sites. So 19 worth seeing sites are there, and the two means the monuments are worth seeing, and to name a few: Himeji Castle, historic monuments of ancient Kaito and Nara. Popular tourist attractions include the Tokyo and the Hiroshima, Mount Fuji, ski resorts such as the Niseko and Okinawa. So these are some of the important or the world famous monuments which people come to see. And the religion which is practiced in Japan is Shinto. Shinto is the largest religion practiced by most of the people in our country, but Islam, Buddhism, Jainism, Christianity and Hinduism are also followed by a few. But people even follow Islam, Buddhism, Jainism and Christianity. Even Hinduism is followed by some of them. And more than 99% of the people speak Japanese. And 99% of the people, they are speaking Japanese. So this much for today.